Well, I gotta say, guys, the road is much better than the trail. Trail's cool going up there, and the road is going to Mariposa Grove is uphill, but a lot less grade than that trail we did, so might want to stick to the road. Oh, look at all the snow on that peak over there. Man, look at that view. So the trail is right down there somewhere. So every once in a while we'd look up here and see folks walking on the road. That sure is pretty though, buddy. Golly, see forever. We're hungry.
I put new batteries in.
It does sound like a smoke alarm, doesn't it? Touch it, see if it's cold.
It's gonna be cold. It's not cold.
No?
It's just kind of like slimy.
Sun's, oh yeah. Sun's hitting us, barely just dripping through that moss. Finally, made it back to the parking lot. Now it's sandwich time. I told you to get whatever you wanted. There's no complaining about the snacks. All right, we got a sandwich in our belly. We have left Mariposa Grove, went back through Wawona, and now I think we're headed back into Yosemite Valley. And from there, I'm not really sure, but I'm just glad to be back in the car and off my feet. I got dizzy when I stood up there. So we just came back through the tunnel that we went through earlier. Had to pull over here and just check this view out right here, guys. So hopefully I'm not telling you wrong. I believe that's El Capitan right there. I know that's Half Dome off in the very distance there. And then I believe if you can see the big, huge waterfall right there, I think that's Bridalveil Fall. We're gonna try to stop again when we go down through this way, but it was so busy earlier, there was nowhere to park. So I'll give it another shot. All right, we got lucky. We got us a parking space because this parking lot is way too small for everybody trying to come here to see Bridalveil Falls, and I can see why. Hey, we get to walk some more, Jack. Yeah, awesome. At least it's not that far. Man, you can hear it roaring up there. Look, there's another waterfall way up there. Wow, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. I wonder which one that one is. That might be Yosemite Falls there. We can feel water getting on us even way over here. Oh, that's nice and cool, ain't it? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys too. So after I turned the camera off, we got the binoculars out, and we saw some guys climbing El Cap. Had his little hammock hanging up there and everything. Crazy people. That is incredible. Moss growing on all the rocks from the continuous mist down here. Mike should have brought a rain jacket to this one.
On the side of the road
But I didn't bring my rain jacket. Wow, like a rainforest. A chilly rainforest. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's cold, man. Ooh. Yeah, we need rain jackets. Oh. Oh man, it's freezing. Holy cow. Oh man. That's pretty amazing. But it's freezing cold. That water's so cold and the wind. Man, I hope we don't go home with a cold. That is a lot of water coming off of those falls, you guys. Got a beautiful sequoia laid across. Look at that. This is absolutely phenomenal. All right, let's go see where the road takes us to next, buddy. I could just ride around and look at these views all day, every day. But as far as for today, I think we're done with Yosemite. Me and Jackson are both tired. We're gonna head back to the hotel, get some pizza, rest our weary feet, because that walk to Mariposa Grove was intense, and I'm out of shape, and we're up in the mountains. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. I hope you will follow along on our vacation out here in Northern California. Tomorrow we are going to Mendocino and to almost to the Redwoods. I'm not sure if we'll actually get into the Redwoods or not, but I hope you guys will follow along. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. It helps the algorithm on YouTube, and more people can come along and see our day in Yosemite. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video.